This Mibao Heavy Duty Doormat in the 47 by 32 inch size feels solid and substantial, with a thick natural rubber base that holds up well to daily foot traffic at a busy entryway. Its textured surface and deep channels scrape off mud and grit effectively, so shoes come in much cleaner and floors inside stay noticeably tidier. The non-slip backing keeps the mat firmly in place on a porch or patio, and the low-profile design lets doors swing over it smoothly without catching. Maintenance is straightforward because loose debris sweeps off easily. And for heavier messes, the mat can be rinsed with a hose or put through a more thorough wash when needed. The simple, dark design looks neat rather than flashy, so it blends well with different exterior styles from modern to traditional without clashing. Because it handles moisture, dirt, and heavy use so reliably, this mat works just as well at a front door as it does at a garage, back patio, or other high-traffic entrance.